Did you ever wonder how to create a nice looking table in Joomla without you having to know a lot of CSS or a lot of ways to create a layout of a table? You can still create a table like this. You can see all the columns look the same. All the rows look the same. And if you have to create this yourself, it wouldn't look so tight as this table. But the secret of creating a good table lays in a good component and a good plugin to create it with. I found a component, a plugin, that is called Our Data. Our Data. It's a commercial component, but it's $33 for 33 plugins. If you have downloaded the paid download, you will get the component. This is what you get. You have to install this two zip files. These are for Joomla 3. You have to unzip it first, the pay download, to get to the files. This is what you have to install on Joomla. And after that you install the files, you install it in the extension manager. And after you have installed it, you go to Extensions Plugin Manager. And then you have Our Data. And you have to publish it. It's now already published. So, but when you install it, it's like this. So you have to publish it or enable it. Then it's published. Successfully enabled. Component, Our Data. Here, this is actually what it looks like. You can see all the things that are installed with the Our Data. There are the 33 plugins that you can use. But I actually like the website of Our Data itself, which explains what you can do with the plugins. You can go to the Our Data collection here. This is actually what is installed on the website I've just shown you. It's not only a table maker. It can make the table that I have just showed you. This table is actually the flex grid table. So let's see. Alright, flex grid, and it has a thing to. You can copy this, and then you can actually paste it on your website. So you go like this. You go like content, because you have to use it in your content. You cannot use it in a model, as far as I can see. I've tried that, but it didn't work. We'll put the demo stuff in here. Let's see what we can do. We have here the source code, and then we put the demo text in here. Let's see. We click on OK, and this is actually the demo of the table. This is what they give you to start your own table. So, name, age, money. I didn't use this. This is what I actually removed for this table because I didn't needed it. So you can actually use this. Now you have our data table, which actually has a search thing in it, so you can search it. So let's see, you can search on 98. Let's see what it does. Platforms. And you can actually use this on your website. Just copy it. Let's see where it is. Then I go back to the source code. Let's see. Go back to this. Click on OK. Then we have this table here. You can see that you can use all the examples in your website. And you can create your own tables with it. So that's it. Search. And add anything here. Let's see what we got more. Let's get this one out. Well, let's show this one. It also has a clock. You can add a clock to your website. It also has the code for it. So you have a working clock on your Joomla website. Let's see what that does. It's actually amazing how much things it's in this thing, in this our data download for $33. Let's see. You have a clock in it. That's nice. Google Map. Let's see what it does, because I can see the example here is not working. I've already visited this page before. Let's see if I can get it to work on my website. Just copy this one. Again, go back to the source code, because you have to use the source code to get it to work. Let's see. Let's just delete this. Check this. Okay. I'm curious if it will work. Let's see. Will it work? Actually, nothing in there. Let's see if I can find the proper code for Google Maps. Longitude. I'm going to try it. Just curious if it works. Not sure. Let's see. Let's see. Well, the mysteries I'm going to use. Let's see. Just use my old adders. Very old adders. Long ago. Let's see where it's taking me. Latitude. Let's see what it says. I hope I don't turn that 8 around. I'm not so familiar with this code. Let's see, longitude. See if it will work now. Okay, it's actually showing a card now. It's not showing what I want to though. But I'm sure it will work if I've tried long enough. See if I turn it around, if it will work. Latitudes. I don't know how I have to get this to work, but it will work. Save. Let's see. Oh, it did work better before. Well, I think if I would try it out more, it will work. Actually don't work here, but if you type in the right code here, it will work. Here we got another table. Shows just displaying charts from CSV file. Also shows you this code. I'm going to try that again. Click save. Oh, we have to use the source code to make it work, otherwise it doesn't work. Okay, click save. Let's see what that does. Now loading. I think I actually remove this all to try it with just this code in it. Let's see. Actually takes some time to load, obviously. Our 3D graph. I'm going to try this one. No, I got it wrong. I have to go to the source code. Go back to this. Art. Click save. It's still loading. This does work. Let's see. Very nice graphic. And actually a good picture. Alright, bookmark. It even has a bookmark function here. So you can bookmark the site. So you have a translate page thing in it. So you can translate the whole page. Now in another language. I want to go back to the original, so I'm going to click here. Get the idea. Sparkline. What's Sparkline? Pie charts. Okay. Quick flip. That's another image thing. You can go. You can add 2 pictures. This is the first. You can click here. Click to flip. Let's see. Click to flip again. And go back to this because it's translating the page. I don't like that. Our data. Let's see our notification. This is actually getting these messages here. So you use this code to get these notifications on your website. You're gonna add this on the page. Let's see if it's working. Click OK. Click Save. See where my website has gone to. And not the host. Let's see. Let's see. I don't see it now. See. Oh, here's a notification. New notification demo. That's nice. Actually, turn it off. And if you refresh the page, the notification is back. So that's good. We go to context menu. Let's see what that does. Arts context menu. Okay. You go back to this one. Let's see how it looks in the website. Click test context menu here. Click test context menu here. I don't know what it's about. Your template here. Oh, this is the template. Your template of your field. Never mind. Let's see if we got more here. Go back to the source. Okay. Alright, table 2π. And actually make this table kind of style. Source code. Click Save. Let's show it. So, I'm going to change it a bit. Let's see if we can change it a bit. TD 100. Let's say if I make it 75, what will I do? Let's check it. I guess you have to add more values then. Let's go back. Have the script. Test 25. Click on OK. Go click on Save. Go to this one. And now we got two things in it. And it got the test color and this part. That's how actually this works. You know, add all kind of things on the table, and you get all these different colors. Magnify, nice image thing here. Actually, if you go over this, it magnifies the picture. You only have to select this thing here. Go here. Go back to this one. Go to the click Save. To do this. There's no image in it here. You have to actually add your own image somewhere. Small image, large image. So I guess you have to add your image here. Let's add a small image and a large image. Uh, 3D graph, I think we have already shown this one. Let's see. CSF2 table, our data table, our SQL table, our table sorter. It's actually a table in which you can sort data with. You can sort it on the name, on the last name, the age, the totals, and the amount of discount, the difference. You also can add your own data in it, and change this titles, and just sort it the same way. Age, and you can use this to create your own table. You can add it here, paste it here. You have your own table here. Go back to the website. You have your own start of a table here. Column 1 and column 2. Column 1 is your long header name. Column 4. So you can actually use this to create your own table with which you can sort your own data. I like this one too. This is art reflection. You can add an image to it, and it adds a reflection of that image under the image. Art iframe. Let's see what that does. Start point for your website. So it actually adds an iframe to. So you can go back to this one and create this, and now create an iframe to Google. Let's see how that will look like. This is actually an iframe. See if I change the website name, if it will change anything. Yeah. See? Let's see if I change anything. Not really. So now has my website in here. It changed and now in here. So the iframe actually works. And my website is too big to show here. So it actually adds an external website with this RT iframe. Or draggable. And drag the image to somewhere, that's nice too. Well, I think you should try this Art8x because it has so many things you can use on your website. And then you have it all in one. You can create an image slider. It also has your image slider in it. You have to add the path to your images, and it creates an image slider for you. You have a simple graph. Another, let's see. This Actually, our data has many things in it you need for your website. You can find it on the Joomla extensions, Joomla Org. Go to the extensions directory. We want to look for our data. Actually has a good amount of votes. It also has a light edition, which is free. No paid. This is the paid version that I just shown you. You can go to the download area, Artetics. There's 33 plugins. You can buy it for $33. It's actually 25 euros. You can go to the demo. Go to the Our Data page. This page shows you all the demo material and how to use the material. I hope you liked this tutorial, and I hope you will be back soon to see more of my tutorials.